Dude, what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel, and today I'm gonna show y'all how to brush like I do. So stay tuned. Alright, man, so in today's video I'm about to show y'all the best angles that I do. I usually don't do that 8-angle breakdown, but I'm gonna show y'all how I'm brushing. Let me show y'all how my waves looking. Hold on. This is how I'm looking right now. Hold on, let me turn up the light a little bit more. Here y'all go. Damn, that bitch at full blast. Y'all can see that, boy? He's at full, boy. Y'all see him? I don't know, for some reason, I have days when my waves are laid, and I have days where my waves are just not hitting like that, but y'all see they hitting today. Oh, yes, sir, they hitting. They be hitting, man. I feel like they hit every day, but today they really hitting. So, alright, man, so today we're gonna use just the soft brush. It's gonna be a quick, easy video, man. Hey, man, stay tuned. Again, if y'all looked at my comment, my power hair went out for 2 days. Uploading a video today. I'm gonna debate and see if I'm gonna upload another one. I'm gonna just take a rest after this. Alright, man, let's get into the video. This is what you want to do, man. If you want to brush like me, this is my best angles. If you want waves like how I have them, you want to start from the top, work your way down. Light brushes, and we're using a soft brush only. Work your way down. And from here, you want to go right here. This will make 2. From right here, we ain't gonna overlap. Jump to the next one. 3. And this is how I'm brushing my hair. From right here to here. 4. And from right here, we go to the next side. Hold on, let me see y'all, show y'all real quick. 5. This makes 5. This next angle right here is 5. Let me tilt it. I can still see you got a mirror right here. 5. From right here, 6. And my whole 6 is taking this whole side down. This whole side right here. 6 is taking this whole side down. This is my 6. Right here. And my last piece after the 6, I don't do 8, I do 7. After this 6, last angle is right here in the back, 7. Basically, that's in the back. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time, and then hey, man, I'm gonna get to the next video, man. Hey, I'm trying to really drop bangers for y'all, man. In today's video, I ain't gonna lie, I feel kind of comfortable just chilling, man. You know, I've been working and stuff. You know how the lifestyle is of being an entrepreneur. So, I've been doing stuff like that. So, again, you start from the back like this. Again, right here, 2. Again, right here, 3. Next, 4. Next angle is gonna be on this side, 5. Next angle, 6. And the 6 is hitting this whole side. I like to hit my whole side for my 6. Right here. I don't know. I don't have an 8-angle breakdown. When I see videos like that, I'm like, bro, my head is kind of too small for that. And then after that 6, hitting this back right here, 7. Short video, man. I think this is the shortest video I ever made. If you like the video, definitely I really recommend, if you're a beginner, like, comment, subscribe. Let me show y'all the waves one more time. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro, please. It helps the channel grow. It helps market the channel. It helps other people see my videos. If you want any of the products that I'm using currently, the link is in the description below. Definitely hit them links. Hey, man, I'll catch you on another one. Peace.